Hello everyone. Today we are going to see important topic, that is relation between small g and capital G. Small g we know it is for acceleration due to gravity, and capital G is universal gravitation constant. This is, and we are going to establish the relation between both. To establish the relation between both, let us consider Earth. Having mass me, me denotes mass of Earth. See very carefully. Let its center, and Re denotes radius of Earth. Here on the surface of Earth, let us consider a body. Of mass small m is kept on that. So we may say that a body of mass m kept on the surface of Earth. So we are going to see the distance between Earth and the body. So distance we will take from a center of Earth. In that condition, center of both body, it is approximately equal to the radius of Earth. So see very carefully here. Body of mass m is kept on surface of Earth. It's clear? So distance between both bodies. What is this both body? Earth and small body m is equal to radius of Earth Re. Now, according to gravitational force, according to law of universal gravitation force acting between two bodies is given by F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. m1 is mass of Earth, and m2 is m, mass of the body, by distance between both. See, distance we have taken radius of Earth, r square, right? And this is represented by equation number 1, right? Now, when body is kept on the surface of Earth, which has a mass small m, right? So, force experienced by body, force experienced by body of mass small m due to gravity is given by formula F is equal to mg. The source of this force experienced by gravity is universal gravitational force. So we may write from equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. We may say from equation 1 and 2, both are the same forces, so their right hand sides are also equal. So we may write capital G MEM by Re square is equal to mg. M is cancelled by m. See in the formula. So this implies that small g is equal to capital G me by r square. This is equation number 3, which is desired relation between small g and capital G, which is a desired relation between small g and capital G. Right? Now, by the equation 3, it is clear that acceleration due to gravity depends upon what are the factors for which responsible for acceleration due to gravity. See in the formula carefully. 3 factors are responsible for value of g, but capital G is a universal gravitation constant, so means no effect. So it is depend on what? First, mass of earth. See carefully, that is me. Second, radius of earth, re. It is inversely proportional to the square of radius of. So more mass means more acceleration due to gravity. Large radius, less acceleration due to gravity. So this is. So acceleration due to gravity is dependent on only these 2 factors. But keep in mind that it does not, acceleration due to gravity acting on a body of mass small m kept on the surface of earth does not depend. See very carefully in the box. Does not depend. See on what? Shape, size and mass of body. So acceleration acting on a body does not depend which type of its shape, what is the size and what is the mass small m. It's only depend on these 2 parameters, right? Mass of the body, earth, and the radius of the earth. These are the 2 factors only responsible for acceleration due to gravity g. So this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.